Hi everyone, it's me Miranda. I'm going to be unboxing Oh My Girl's Windy Day. This is the repackage of Pink Ocean. So, yep. Been waiting a while to unbox it because I wanted to have the complete set before I unboxed it. So, I finally have that now. So I decided to unbox it today. That's a thick page. Wow, okay. These pictures are so gorgeous too. Oh. And the lyrics. And that is it. And the photo cards. This is JiHo's item version because I collect JiHo. Back then I wanted to collect 3 members, but because they have so many photo cards, I just couldn't collect all of those photo cards. This is the angel item and hers is an apple. And then one of my prized possessions, the rare card. This I got in a trade, which I love to pieces. So, because I wouldn't have paid a crazy amount of money for it, straight up. So I'm glad I was able to trade for it, like multiple cards for that card. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.